Welcome back to News. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Let's get this channel going. Today we got Bricc Baby from the Rolling 60s discussing what the judge said to the killer Eric Holder when he says you have 60 years, which we all know is for the Rolling 60s, which is the gang that they are affiliated with. And he also told him that you have the green light on you while you are in prison for these 60 years. Bricc Baby is going to touch base on this, who was Eric Holder's friend as they was growing up and also is close to Nipsey, the Great Hustle. Here we go. Eric Holder is behind bars. Bricc Baby is going to discuss what this means by the green light on Eric Holder. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to it, y'all. News.
That Eric Holder is a target. Every gang has a green light on him. His life is going to be hell in prison. Do you think those are accurate statements that the judge made?
In a sense. It might be a bag on his head. You never know. Like I said, I ain't been in contact with that side of the fence, like with my big brother Sam and them. You know what I'm saying? But shit, they might do got a green light everywhere, man. The nigga brother did. Like, shit. A lot of people was fans of Nipsey. That wasn't no gangbanger that whooped him at court. He's in protective custody, so it wasn't no active gang member at least. You know what I'm saying? That was a fan that caught him slipping. Or it was the police that let somebody get up on him and whoop his ass. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, shit happens. So shit gonna continue to happen. And that's just the consequence for what you did, nigga. I don't never speak on him like I'm in love with him and stand on his side. I don't know where people get that shit from.
Yeah, man. I mean, he's going to be in, PC. But, I don't know how strong, you know what I'm saying? Even though, like you said, Nipsey was loved. So even though it's not going to be like active gang members, there's still going to be like a lot of Nipsey fans in there that just might want to do it just for the clout.
That's why I'm like, shit, you never know how he going to get hit. It damn near for sure going to happen, though. I mean, it depends, though. I can't say this, though. However it happened, and the police know, how could I say? The high profile, his case is very high profile. So however it happened inside that jailhouse, if the police got anything, like any security breaches, it's going to be a lawsuit for Eric's family. For sure. You know what I'm saying? So even with the judge saying that, they kind of got to tread lightly about what a motherfucker's saying and then the actions that come after it. Because it's like you damn near are saying that it's cool for the green light. You know what I'm saying? And you being in the position that you in, I don't think that that should even be a conversation that you bringing up during sentencing. Now that's showing bias. That's grounds for, like, to me, for a new trial. Because you saying the shit that you saying is like you wanted me to be in jail. You was gonna convict me. You thought I was guilty the whole time. You didn't let justice be served and then I'm guilty and then let me go. Oh yeah, and you got a green light on you. Like, that's not nothing that a professional, anybody in the judicial system talks after a sentencing. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let him rot in his own shit. It's not up to you to say, but for you saying that, and then if it does happen, it's like you damn near sending a kite up to the prison like, shit, fuck him. Let him die.
That was kind of crazy to hear the judge talk like that, because that's like a street term. That's not like a you know what I'm saying, like a professional judge type of term.
Yeah, that's what I'm like. I never heard no shit like that. But, it is what it is. Like I said, the judge might like Nip. He might have You know what I'm saying? A piece of love in his heart for Nip, or just throughout the trial and seeing that shit. But it's like, you cannot, once you give your opinion on something, that means that you're showing like bias to the situation. So it's gonna come back and bite. If Eric was any type of smart, you know what I'm saying, I would have been threw that right down the judge, right back down his throat. I'd be right back at trial, retrial. You gotta try me again. You hear the shit that he talking about? It's like they couldn't wait till they counted me out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But it is what it is, man. Like I said, it's a consequence for every action.
What's up?
There you have it. Bricc baby. Make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Turn your post notifications on as we keep you updated with news.